Now, coming down to the interesting aspect. Now, we saw that ARK Invest is currently buying, and for the past since July 14, 2021, they have been buying the CFMS stock. But if you look into the ARK on the Fintel website for Conformis and ARK Investment, Cathie Wood's portfolio, this is not the first time that they bought CFMS. They have been buying it ever since the IPO back in 2016. 2015, 2016 is when they came out with the IPO, and they have been buying. So you can see 2016, 2017, they bought, and they closed their position in the second quarter or third quarter of 2017. Then again in 2017, 2018, they bought again. She bought heavily when it was a little bit down, when the stock price was down, and then she again sold it off when it was falling off. So in this particular 2 quarters, you can see there's no progress. There's no shares held by Cathie Wood. Then again in 2019, when the stock was going up, she bought again, and then again when it was falling down, she sold. And so she has been doing some activity, and it doesn't look like it's in that long-term perspective. And you get that compounding effect only if you're looking at that long-term play. So yeah, Cathie Wood is buying. It doesn't mean she's right or she's good. It's our point to do our due diligence, to do our research, whether or not it works for us or not. But and whether these decisions were right, where she bought the stocks at a higher price, especially in the IPO stages. Right after the IPO, the stock was at very high, about $16, $17. It's a little harder to read over here, but yes, it was at a higher rate at that instant, and she bought them and then sold it probably at a loss at this stage. Then she started doing her dollar cost average, going down. Right here, she bought a lot to decrease the price. And then immediately, when there was a small increase, she might have probably sold it off. But yeah, something interesting to look into. Something interesting to look into the background. The good thing about CFMS is it has a history of at least about 10 years for us to go back and review and see how things have been moving out. I wouldn't say 10 years. It's only more than 4, 5, or 6 years. But yeah, something interesting to look into. All these links will be in the description for you to review. This is not financial advice, just a guy who loves to research into this. If you look into this, if there's any mistake from me, let me know in the comments below. We'll go over it and review it together. With that, take care, stay safe, bye-bye.